I have no idea why people are still buying pancake mix when you can turn these or any other green variety of banana plantain into amazing pancakes and not feed your kids the trash most of us do on your average morning. So we're going to turn these into pancakes today. These are quadrados, Orinco bananas, bro bananas, Guinea bananas. They go by a lot of different names, but quadrados in Costa Rica. And all we're gonna do is skin them. And we're gonna prep them for the blender. Just a few ingredients and you will have pancakes.
Now, all you're gonna need to get started is some cinnamon, a pinch of salt, a pinch or a teaspoon or so of baking powder to make them fluffy, a dash of vanilla. This makes the house smell like donuts when you cook them. It's optional, but it does make the flavor awesome. A green plantain or banana variety, and eggs. So first thing we want to do is get the skins off of these bananas. Now, whether they're a banana variety, plantain variety, just be sure that they're green. I'm using a knife because on some varieties, it is a pain getting the skins off whenever they aren't ripe. And you want to use green because of the starch content. If you use ripe bananas, you will end up with a mushy pancake, which, I don't know, might be alright, but they don't taste like pancakes. These taste like pancakes.
And that's what we're doing here, we're making pancakes.
The number you put in there, you can adjust based on the consistency of the batter you want. So if it's too thick, add a couple more eggs. If it's too thin, add another plantain. In this batch, I ended up using 7 of my homegrown quadrados and 7 eggs, which comes out to about 42 grams of protein. In addition to all of the nutrients and minerals from the green bananas, you get prebiotic fiber, which is awesome for your gut health. Now for the finishing touches, just a dash of vanilla, and I highly suggest this. It makes it taste great. A dash of cinnamon. This actually increases the sweetness factor of the pancakes. A little dash of baking powder. This makes them fluffy. And you've got to have salt. You can really notice when you forget to put salt in here. It's a must.
Blend it.
And what I should have told you was to cut your bananas into smaller pieces because it makes it easier to blend, but I forgot to. But chop them up in littler pieces, they'll blend easier and you won't have to stick a knife in your blender like I just had to. But now we have a beautiful pancake batter consistency and we're ready to bring this onto the stove and start cooking the pancakes. Nothing different in cooking here. We're just gonna put a little bit of oil in a stainless steel pan and cook pancakes like we've always cooked pancakes. When you start seeing the little bubbles, you flip it over and let the other side cook until it's nice and brown and ready to drop onto the plate. Alright, let's speed this up a bit. And there you have it. We have our pancakes. I think I'm going to sit down and enjoy a plateful right now. I like mine with melted butter and a drizzle of honey. Like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, comment below and I'll do my best to answer. Have a good day. Pura vida.